Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharath here, architecture and interior designer, founder of Designerings. If you are new here and love design, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you should not miss our next tip. Today we are talking about wallpaper on bathroom. You don't necessarily need to stick to the tiles in the bathroom. Why can't wallpaper? Don't scared. Wallpapering bathroom walls can make beautiful style statement, and it's a great place to use bold pattern and colors you might not use anywhere else, like this kind of patterns. Large prints look especially striking in a small spaces. One more thing, when you use the wallpaper in bathroom, make sure wet and dry section is separate with the glass partition, so it make your wallpaper live. So wallpaper can transform guest bedrooms and common area toilets. Look for specialized bathroom wallpapers that is wash and splash resistance. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.